Hey, hi everybody from YouTube. The reason why I'm talking so quietly is because everybody in my house is sleeping right now, and I kind of have a dilemma. I'm dating this guy, and I think I want to dump him because every time I talk to him on Facebook, he never replies, or he'll reply, but like later on he won't. And he says he loves me, but I can't tell if it's a lie or if it's real. And I don't get to see him very much. So you guys could comment down below. That'd be muchly appreciated. So thanks. And for any of you guys that are on VF, I would look up Aim 2 because he is so amazing and I love him so much. You cannot find anybody who's better than that. Okay, well, thanks. Love you guys.